Banded tulip. It's like, oh, it's alive. Hey, buddy. Oh no, this little chestnut turban lost his operculum. Poor guy. Let's put him in the water and hope he can make it. A big banded tulip. Super big. Nice colors. See what else is around here. Giant Atlantic cockleshell. Looks like a whole sunray Venus clam. Oh, it's a little broken on one side. Pretty big spiny jewel box rolling around. Still hinged. Very nice. Look at that, just sitting right there. Oh, a perfect orange horse cock with nobody home. Oops. I love it. So pretty. Okay, I see a little spot over here that might be a good spot to scoop. A little sunken down area. Let's see if I can find it again. Yep, right here. Let's see what's over here. See if we got anything good and then we can come back. Okay, let's see. Little bubble shell. Tiny little crab, which my kids will love. Put them in their little crab tank, the little starfish they found, which we're definitely going to put back. Some other creatures. Okay, let's look around. See what else we can find in here. Banded tulip, but I'm not going to take that guy. Another, oh, this one's alive. We'll put him back in a minute. Gently, we don't want to put him back too rough because that can make the mollusk detach and we definitely don't want that. Some more